If your home feels cold, flat, or just a little off, there's a really good chance it's not your furniture. It's your lighting. And most renters don't realize this because you kind of assume you're stuck with whatever came with the apartment. That harsh overhead light. Those weird bulbs that are somehow too yellow or too white. The shadows that just make everything feel off. But here's the part nobody really talks about. You can completely change how your home looks without touching a single wire, and once you do, it's actually hard to go back. In this video, I'll show you renter-friendly lighting upgrades that make your space look instantly more expensive. And there's one in here that designers use all the time, but almost nobody else is doing. So here's the thing. Lighting isn't really about brightness. It's about where the light is coming from. Cheap-looking spaces usually rely on one harsh source, usually from above, while expensive spaces, they layer light. It feels softer, more intentional, a little more calm. And once you start noticing it, you'll see it everywhere. First thing, just stop relying on your overhead lights. Seriously, it's probably the fastest upgrade you can make. That single ceiling fixture, it creates harsh shadows, it flattens everything, and it kind of makes your space feel almost clinical. Instead, start using a few different light sources, a floor lamp, a table lamp, even a small accent light somewhere. It doesn't have to be complicated, but that one change immediately makes your space feel warmer, softer, and a lot more put together. This is where things start to look a little more designer. Plug-in wall sconces. They give you that built-in lighting look without actually installing anything. You can put them on either side of your bed or even above a console table, and suddenly your space feels styled, not just filled with furniture. And quick tip, if you hide the cord properly, no one will know it's plug-in. This one is small, but it matters more than people think. Switch your bulbs. Cool white lighting is one of the fastest ways to make a home feel cheap. It just is. Instead, go warm. Look for soft white. Warm white, it creates that calm, slightly elevated, almost hotel-like feeling. Same room, same furniture. Completely different vibe. This next one, most people skip. And honestly, they shouldn't. Picture lights. They sit above artwork and cast a soft glow downward. It makes your wall feel intentional, like a gallery, instead of just decor. And now there are rechargeable ones. So no wiring, no drilling. It's one of those subtle upgrades that just quietly makes everything look better. And in a second, I'll show you the one lighting trick that makes even a basic apartment feel custom. But first, if your kitchen feels kind of flat, this is probably why. Under cabinet lighting, it adds depth, a little dimension, and it makes your countertops glow in a really clean way. Instead of one harsh light from above, you're layering the light. And it just feels more intentional, more finished, more expensive. Another one people underestimate, dimmable lighting. Being able to control brightness changes everything. You can go from bright and functional to soft and relaxed just by adjusting the light. And that shift, it makes your home feel lived in, not staged. And this last one is probably the most important. It's what designers do automatically. light at different heights, low lighting, mid-level lighting, and then higher accents. It creates depth. Instead of everything being lit the same way, your space starts to feel layered, a little more dynamic, and that's really the difference between a space that looks fine and one that actually feels elevated. Most people think upgrading their home means buying new furniture. But honestly, lighting does more for less. Fix your lighting, and everything else starts to look better. If this helped, go ahead and hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.